Hello, in this video, I'll be talking about the engineering design process. So, there are about 6 components to the engineering design process. Number 1 is to identify the problem. Number 2 is to explore ideas. Number 3 is to design. Number 4 is to create. Number 5 is to try it out. And number 6 is to make it better. So let's start with number 1, identify the problem. So for example, let's say that I have a large pear tree in my backyard, and recently they have been falling all over my backyard. And I also have a dog who happens to love to eat the pears, but too many of them will make him sick. So my problem is I need to find a way to stop the pears from falling all over the ground so that my dog doesn't eat them. Next is to explore ideas to solve our problem. So one idea could be that I go out every day before I let my dog out and pick up all of the fruits. Well, I can make improvements to that. This would require that I remember to go out and that I make sure I get all the fruits, which could be hard. Another idea could be that I place a net under the tree, right under the tree, so that it catches the fruit as it falls. And then I wouldn't even have to worry about checking outside before my dog goes out. As you explore ideas, it's important to take a look at all your options. That includes ruling out ideas that may be less effective. Your design is where you can put your ideas on paper, which includes sketching. So for my problem, I could decide, well, how am I going to attach the net? Maybe I want to have hook-like attachments on the branches, or maybe I want to wrap the entire tree in a net, like a blanket. It is important to be thorough in your design and label everything. Labeling is key. And now you get to create. After coming up with your designs and your ideas, this is the part where you get to really bring what you want to make to life. You can play with different ways of doing things, and you can find what will help your vision come to life the most. And after you created what you're going to make, this is the part where you get to try it out. So this is when you'll be able to see if your design is efficient or not. And you'll be able to see what adjustments you need to make in the next round. After you test out your creation, it's important to see what improvements you can make. After all, that's what STEM's all about, making the world a better place.